Apple CarPlay has been influencing the way we listen to music in our cars for a while now, but not all of us have access to some of these great features. But those of us who do have Apple CarPlay most likely will have to use a wire and not be able to take advantage of the full access of wireless compatibility. Well, this is where this guy comes in very handy. This is the wireless USB car dongle that allows you to wirelessly connect to your Apple Music with ease. Easy installation and easy setup straight out of the box. So let's get straight into it. So unboxing this device and you'd expect you really don't get much. You get the dongle itself, a USB extension cable and a USB Type-C extension cable for those of you that have that port on your CarPlay compatible stereo. If you didn't know already, you will obviously need to have an Apple CarPlay enabled stereo installed in your car to be able to take full advantage of this. The device just simply allows for you to connect up to it wirelessly instead of having to plug your device straight into the phone itself. So with that covered, let me show you exactly how easy it is to install and get up and running. So you can go ahead and simply install this straight into the USB plug on your stereo or in your car socket. I'll be using the adapter for a bit more convenience and a down low install. Now this is plug and play, so it should carry all your controls from your steering wheel or control knob. The boot time is surprisingly quick and it will depend on the stereo system you're using, but mine is less than 5 seconds. Once paired, which I will be honest is a very easy pairing process, so I won't bother showing you it. You just connect up to it via your Bluetooth on your phone and you're good to go. Like I said, it is pretty much plug and play. Once you're all in, your Apple CarPlay functions will be as normal, completely wirelessly though. I've been using this for a couple of days now and even the audio is really good. There is no breakup or interruption even in low signal areas. Take a listen to this. As you can see, the wheel controls work fine and there is no issue with compatibility at all. I'm able to control the volume, skip tracks and much more. Not just that, but navigation is on the mark too, with a fluid interface and little to no lag time between your destination and keeping up with your route. From the click to the actual execution of that action, it is pretty good. The interface of the dongle itself is done by going to the QR code in the manual, and you have to do this for setup as well. Here it allows you to update the firmware on the dongle itself, ensuring you have it working at its best at all times. So for the current asking price, you really can't go wrong. The build quality of the dongle itself isn't fantastic and probably won't win many awards, but in terms of usability and the fact it's pretty much plug and play with little to no lag time, I don't really think you can complain. Once plugged in, you're able to enjoy the freedom of wireless Apple CarPlay. With some cars, you just don't have it yet. Why not have the freedom and enable yourself to never have to worry about plugging in your phone again? Check out the product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.